How to be a Western Union agent. Go to the official Western Union website. Go to the Become an Agent section. This information is typically found in the Business Solutions or for Businesses section of the website. Check the requirements provided by Western Union. These requirements may include financial stability, local regulations, and business experience. Complete the inquiry form. Western Union will review your application. This process may involve background checks, financial reviews, and compliance assessment. Wait for approval. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.